it's Caitlyn here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I do encourage you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Alrighty, so today's video is a different style of video, kind of. I get a lot of comments about my teeth and what I use to whiten them and keep them white and how are they white and all that jazz. So I wanted to do this video for you to show you the whitening system that I use, how it's used, and the effects that I get from it. But it's hard for me to show you before and after because I use this every week, so my teeth stay white. So it's kind of hard for me to show you before I whiten them and then after I whiten them because they stay the same. They're white. But I wanted to show you guys this video on everything and how I use it because this is amazing for moms or if you're an on-the-go person, because this whitening system is amazing. I used to use the Crest 3D white strips, and after 15 minutes I would get that sharp shooting pain in my tooth and have to rip it off immediately because it was so sensitive. They worked, but the sensitivity that it gave my teeth, it was horrendous and it hurt so bad. This stuff is actually called Smile Brilliant, and it is a custom fit mouth tray for your teeth, the top and the bottom, and it has the whitening gel as well as a desensitizing gel. Now this stuff I can wear for 4 or 5 plus hours. The longer you wear it, the whiter your teeth get, because of course you get to, instead of just a 1-hour process, you can wear it as long as you want. Now most of the time I get hungry so I end up stopping the whitening at about 3 or 4 hours because I just can't take it and I need to eat something. So I whiten my teeth, then you take that off, then you use the desensitizing gel, wear that for 30 minutes, take that off, and then just let your saliva do the rest of the work after that, and you don't eat for another half hour. So it comes to usually I whiten my teeth for about 3 hours. Then I do the desensitizing gel, which is 30 minutes. And then I do the after thing, which is another 30 minutes of just letting my mouth saliva do its thing. So it comes to around 4 or 5 hours, depending on how long I whiten. And I'm starving by the end of it. So I just end my treatment because I'm hungry. You could whiten your teeth all freaking day and you don't get any sensitivity. Well, sorry, I don't get any sensitivity. Your teeth might be different with this product, but as for me, my super sensitive teeth doesn't bug them. Not one bit. It's amazing. And I love this stuff. And I'm going to continue using it for the rest of my life. As long as I keep making it, I'm going to keep using it. But I'm going to get into how I whiten my teeth right now and show you the steps and the box and everything in it. So let's go. Alrighty, so here is the box that comes in, so the tray creation kit. I just keep everything in this anyways. Now here is the little container that my retainer or trays, the teeth trays, I'll call them teeth trays, come in. And they just look like this. They are custom fit. I did my molds, I sent it away to the company, they sent my trays back, and I was good to go. I've been using these for what, 3 years, and they are still in really good condition. No cracks, no nothing, just still perfect. But what I do first is I brush my teeth with just water to get any gunk that I have on my teeth off. Then I go ahead and I put the whitening gel inside the tray. Dry my teeth, let that sit for however long I want. So let's go ahead and do that process. So I just brushed my teeth. They are clean and good to go. So I'm just going to show you guys my teeth before. Probably not going to see a difference after because, like I said, I whiten my teeth every week so they continue to stay white and fresh. But I'm just going to show you before anyways. So here are my teeth. And now I'm going to go ahead and dry my teeth. So I just like to take a towel, pat dry my teeth, get them dry. This helps like the product stay on the teeth better and clean it properly, so, or whiten it properly. This is hard to do with one hand. I'm gonna put this down for a second. There we go. Okay. So I'm just drying off my top teeth. And then keep my lips from touching it. I already have the gel inside the tray. And just pop that bad boy on. Do the exact same thing to the bottom of the teeth. And that's it. So this is what the trays look like when they're on your teeth. And then you can go about your day, you can clean, you can cook, you can do whatever you want while you're wearing them. You're not restricted. It's amazing to be wearing these throughout the day when I'm dealing with Jack, because I don't have to quickly run to the bathroom and take these off because my teeth hurt. I can just wear them however long I want. I could wear them from 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. But I decided that, because I wanted to talk to you guys, that I started this treatment at, what is it, 1 o'clock, and Jackson just went down for a nap. So I'm gonna go ahead and wear the whitening treatment for a couple hours, and then I will come back and show you how I do the desensitizing gel and all of that stuff. But I will see you guys in a second with that. Alrighty, so it has been an hour and a half. I'm starving. I can't take it anymore. I forgot to eat before I whitened my teeth, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the whitening treatment off and do the desensitizing gel. So I'm just gonna pop this out, spit the extra stuff in, rinse the trays out to get any extra whitening gel off of it, because then the desensitizing gel goes into the trays onto my teeth. So let's get these. So I just rinsed my mouth out with just some warm water to get the extra whitening treatment off of my teeth. I rinsed my trays, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the desensitizing gel in, but I wanted to show you guys my teeth so far, if you guys can see. So there are my teeth so far. Not sure if you notice a difference from before, but yeah, just wanted to show you in case. Working my way all around, and there we go. And there we go. I am starving, but this is gonna sit in my mouth for 30 minutes, and then I will be back talking to you guys about when I take it off, how my teeth look and all of that stuff. But yeah, so I will see you in 30 minutes my time, but 1 second your time. Okay, so it has now been 30 minutes. I'm going to take my trays out, rinse them, spit the extra into the sink, and show you guys what my teeth look like. So I just spit the extra out into the sink, rinsed my mouth teeth trays, and I didn't rinse my mouth because this is an important part of the last thing, is your saliva is supposed to mix with the desensitizing gel just for some more extra support and desensitizing, for that extra little oomph of making your teeth stronger and healthier after the whitening treatment. So for the next 30 minutes, once again, I can't eat and I am starving. So I have to just sit around, fiddle on my phone for the next 30 minutes, and then I can finally just stuff food in my face. But yes, I wanted to show you guys up close what my teeth look like now. So let's get up close and personal here. So here are my teeth. Look at those bad boys. Yeah. So I'm not sure if you guys can see a difference because like I said, I whiten my teeth every week and it just keeps them white and clean and bright. Now, when you're first starting out with this product, you're gonna whiten your teeth every day for like however long you want. So like when I first started out, because my teeth weren't sensitive, I whitened my teeth the first day for 4 hours, the second day for 4 hours, the third day for 4 hours. And then my teeth were really white after those 3 days. After that, just to keep up the whiteness, I whitened them once a week for however long I could handle not eating. But yes, now as you guys know, I am partnered with Smile Brilliant. Now that doesn't change how I feel about products. If I hate something, if I do not like it, I do not make a review video for it. I tell the company my opinion about the product and then they choose if they would like me to go ahead with the review and how I feel about it. But you guys know that I am 100% honest with every single thing that I promote on my channel. It's full transparency. You can see everything. There's no hidden things. This is me. I am showing you all. So I am partnered with them, and because I am partnered with them, they and I would like to run a giveaway for you. One lucky winner will win this giveaway and will receive the whitening kit. If you would like to enter the giveaway, check the description bar down below for a direct link to the entry site. And that is everything. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this mommy on the go whitening system thing. It's a different kind of review, just me hanging out in my bathroom. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to my channel to watch more of moi. Enter that giveaway if you guys would like to win one of these teeth whitening systems from Smile Brilliant. And until next time, stay beautiful, okay? Bye.